Hello guys, how's everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying their day. Today I'm going to take max, and this is the part 2 of chapter 1 sets. So before we start, please subscribe, share, like and comment on this channel. Now what we are going to learn in this class is the different types of sets. So how many types of sets? This is what we are going to learn today. So just pause the video and think. Try to imagine what all sets can be formed. So our first set is the finite set. What is it? The finite set. Now just think, what is the finite set? Their meaning is there itself in the word finite. Finite means a limited number is there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it, or 1 to 10. Those are called finite numbers. So here a set which has finite numbers of what? The exact meaning of finite set is finite set, a set having a finite number of elements is called a finite set. A finite number of elements. I already told what are elements. They are like the numbers present in that set. Those substances found in that set are called the element. So here the finite number of elements is called finite set. For example, A is equal to this bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. A close bracket. Then next, B is equal to set A, I, E, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Next, set of all rivers in India. Is that a finite set? Set of all rivers in India. We'll get to that in the next part. Next set we have is the infinite set. The infinite set. A set is said to have said to be infinitive number of elements in the set. Let us see. Here, a set is said to be infinite if number of elements in the set is not finite. So what do you mean? Meaning the set is said to be a finite set if the number of elements are not finite. That is which comes to our example here. That is a set of all rivers in India. Set of all rivers in India. Okay, how many rivers are there in India? So many, right? Infinite. There is the Indus River, Brahmaputra, all those. But is there a limit? No, right? There's plenty of them in India now. They are not specified in which place or which part. So there is infinite number of rivers, which forms into an infinite set. Another set we have is the null set. So what is a null set? What is the meaning of null? Null means nothing, right? It's empty. So the meaning here is a set having no element is called a null set, or an empty set, or a void set. It is denoted by this symbol here. This is called the null set, or the empty set, or the void set. Or it can be shown as open bracket, nothing, close bracket. You see, there's nothing there, right? There's nothing there, which shows that it's an empty set. But note that if it is a bracket or set 0 or bracket 0 close bracket, that is not an empty set, because 0 is counted as an element. Just because if you put 0 does not mean it's. Now next examples. Let's see. The A is equal to set of odd numbers divisible by 2. Now just think. What are odd numbers? 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Are they divisible by 2? No, right? So there's no other odd numbers which can be divisible by 2. So that is a null set, because there is no element which has that. Next example. The set of days between Sunday and Monday. That's absurd, right? I mean, seriously, a day between Sunday and Monday. Has there been any day like that? Except midnight? No, right? There has been no other day, right? Which means it's a null set. Very good. Now next, there's a note, okay? Mark it up. You see, this. Just cut the note part. Okay. Now next is equal sets. This should be easy for you. The meaning you know it now, right? Equal set, a set which is said to have equal. So the meaning here is not one set, okay? Two sets. Let any two sets B, A and B. Okay? Those two sets A and B are said to be equal if each element of A is an element of B and each element of B is an element of A. This is called an equal set. Thus, two sets A and B are equal if they have exactly the same elements, okay, the same exact elements, but the order in which the elements in the two sets are written is immaterial, meaning those do not count. What matters or what counts the most is the element. Let's say logical, okay, logical. Next one we have logical, oligical, okay, oligical, something. The words are here, words are here. Now just pause the video and solve this problem by seeing whether these two are equal. First make them into a set, then find if they have the same number of elements. Check, not same number, the same exact element. Or we'll take another example. We have, let's say, we have the set WOLF, wolf. The next set, follower. Now just pause the video and solve this problem. Are they equal? Just write them in the comments. For now, I'm going to explain the logical. You see, for the logical and the other one, olological, okay, in the words given here, you can see when they are turned to sets, this one has the same element as this. You get that? This LOGICA is equal to the same as OL. You get it, right? So I hope you return the correct answer for the wolf question. If you have any doubts regarding that, please write them in the comments. So if sets A and B are equal, what do we write as? A is equal to B. That is, set A is equal to B. This equal set is denoted by the equal to sign. Okay, so A is equal to B. So simple. Note that two sets A and B are equal if X belongs to A and X belongs to B, or X belongs to B, X belongs to A. If these two are equal, if A and B belongs to X, then that means these both sets are equal. If not, then my friend is not equal at all. They are unequal. Now next, a set of sets. Now what is this? Set of sets? We already know what is sets. Now there is the extra set of those sets. What is this sets? What is the set of sets? A set S. Okay, let's take it. The set is S, having all its elements as sets. Okay. Now just think it over. Read it again. What is it? A set S is having all its elements as sets. Is that even possible? Of course it is. It's called a set of sets, or a family of sets, or a class of sets. Yeah. A class of sets, a family of sets, a set of sets. Nice. A set is a family a set is also a class. So those are of the set. Set 1, 2, close bracket, comma. Set 2, 5, close bracket. You can see the problem here, right? So if you read this, pause the video and see what all sets are there. We have 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 6, 8, which are themselves are sets. You can tell by the brackets given inside that set bracket. You can see the sets in those sets in that brackets. Oh. Next example, the bracket null set. Now what is it? Null set is a set's element. That can be counted as set of sets because that symbol is a null set, right? And yeah. Next we have the singleton sets. Now what is singleton? Of course, most of you must have heard about singleton. A person or a thing which is single. But what is the singleton set? Why is this set single? How is it so single? That's what you're going to find. So, what's the example? I'll tell you an example, then I'll tell its full definition. What is that? The set given here is the singleton set. Of course, now you must have got an idea, right? This set has one element or one single element. Oh my god, I'm talking so much about singles, right? I hope none of you are getting started because I'm talking about singles, right? Don't worry, I know the experience. And I same thing, this set has many kinds, even one of them is similar to our condition. Single life. That is why this set is single, because it has a single element. So the definition of this single set is a set is said to have only one element. Is considered to be known as a single element. I know null set means nothing, but when it comes into another set, there is a set of sets. It is known as a singleton set. Answer in the comment section, and if you have any doubts or if you want me to make a video, please give it in the comment section because you're welcome. Okay, thank you. Please have a nice day. Subscribe, share, like and comment. So this is Aditya Krishnaraj, your teacher, signing off.